Hello everyone, today I've got the ultimate Fire Stick setup guide for your LED TV. If you're planning to stream with privacy or access more content globally, I highly recommend trying NordVPN. Check the link in the description to get it at a great price. Once you've made the purchase, let's look at what comes inside the box. You'll find a Fire Stick device, the Fire Stick remote, a power adapter, a micro USB cable, an HDMI extension, and two AAA batteries. To set it up, you'll need an LED TV with an HDMI port and an active internet connection. Begin by plugging the micro USB cable into your Fire Stick. Then connect your Fire Stick to your TV's HDMI port. Take the other end of the USB cable, connect it to the power adapter, and plug that into your wall socket. Insert the AAA batteries into your remote. Now, turn on your TV and press the source or input button on your TV remote. Select the HDMI port where you connected the Fire Stick. You should now see the Fire Stick logo on your screen. Next, it's time to pair your remote. Press the home button on the remote to get started. Then, press the play-pause button to move forward. Choose your preferred language by using the up and down buttons on the remote. You'll be asked whether to set up using the Fire TV app or the remote. Select Setup with Remote to continue. Then, connect to your Wi-Fi by choosing your network and entering your password using the on-screen keyboard. Click Connect and wait while your Fire Stick checks for updates. This might take a few minutes. If you already have an Amazon account, you can sign in directly. Otherwise, it's much easier to create a free account on the Amazon website using your mobile or computer before setting up on your Fire Stick. I'll go ahead and sign in now. There are 3 ways to sign in: by entering a code at the provided URL, scanning a QR code with your phone, or manually typing your login details. I'll go with the manual method. Use the triple bar icon on your remote to bring up the keypad, enter your Amazon username and password, and hit Sign In. Once authenticated, your Fire Stick will register your account. Press Continue to move on. Choose Yes to save your Wi-Fi password to Amazon so it connects automatically in the future. As a returning Fire Stick user, I'm seeing the option to restore previous data. If you're a first-time user, you can skip this step. Now, select your TV brand from the on-screen list. Fire Stick will check if your remote can control your TV's volume, so make sure the volume is turned up and click Next. Point your remote at the TV and press the volume up and down buttons. If the volume changes, press Yes to confirm. That means your remote has been successfully set up for volume control. You'll now get the option to subscribe to Amazon Prime Video, or you can press Not Now to skip. Next, if you have kids using the Fire Stick, you may want to enable parental controls. This involves setting up a PIN for purchases or app access. Finally, select your profile and that's it. You're now ready to enjoy your Fire Stick on your LED TV or any other compatible device. If you want access to apps and content not available in your region, or simply want a smoother streaming experience, don't forget to set up NordVPN on your Fire Stick. It helps bypass geo-blocks, reduce buffering caused by throttling, and keep your activity private. I've dropped a link in the description so you can grab it at a discounted rate and unlock the full power of your Fire Stick.